We've had a real world emergency situation come up today. We are currently camping out on BLM land. Let me show you where we're in the middle of. When you're out in the middle of basically nowhere, there's a few other campers, some others over there where the emergency happened. I'll show you a short clip of that.
The car is on fire and is besides a trailer.
You know, there's nothing around us. There's no crossroads to give. We had a situation where vehicle down there caught fire next to their fifth wheel. Engine fully ablaze. Call 911. They immediately, first thing they generally ask you is, where's the crossroads to the emergency? We're out on BLM land. There are no crossroads. There might be roads nearby, but to get them to where you're actually at on the BLM, the best way to do that is going to be providing the GPS coordinates. Not everybody knows how to do that, so we're going to show you that real quick. All right, so once you got 911 dialed, you can close that out, pull up your Google Maps, load into the map section, then you're going to drop your pen, pressing on the screen right there. As you can see, this pulled up the coordinates down here. Let me pull this up here. And here are the GPS coordinates for you to be able to give at this time. So all of that can be done while you're on the phone call with 911 and be able to provide them that information. Always remember, safety is key to remember how you're going to deal with those situations when they're out in the middle of nowhere. If you've got kids, it might be beneficial to also show them as well. One thing we've remembered through this, because of the situation, we haven't taught our kids ourselves that. And a few of our friends that were with us were not aware you could do that while you're on the call as well.